How to add Solana network to Coinbase Wallet. Adding custom networks to your Coinbase Wallet expands your access to a broader range of Web3 applications and ecosystems, allowing you to interact with more decentralized apps, dApps. However, it's crucial to research the credibility of any network before adding it as a custom option. Steps to add Solana network. First, open your Coinbase app and make sure you're already logged into your account. Tap the Asset tab, then open the Settings tab, scroll down to Network, and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new network. Next, add Custom Network. Enter the custom network's relevant details in the fields. You can find the specific details of your preferred network with a quick search online. Enter network details such as network name and type Solana, RPC URL. Input a Solana RPC URL, like https://api.mainnet-beta.solana.com. Chain ID. Use Solana's chain ID, typically left blank or set to a default value. Symbol. Input SOL for Solana's native token, and the optional one, Block Explorer URL. Enter https://explorer.solana.com for the Solana Blockchain Explorer. Then, just tap Add Network and you'll be able to add Solana as your new network. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helps. Thank you.